question of construction. You have to done this question by using compass and ruler. First of all, read the statement carefully. What is the first line of this statement? Draw a line segment AB of length 5 cm. By using ruler, you have to draw a line segment AB 5 cm. Next, at A and B. It means from point A and B, construct lines perpendicular to AB. It means from A you have to construct here 90-degree angle by using compass. From A, take A as center and you have to draw one big arc. Then it is the center, first arc, second arc, then bisector of this angle 60-degree. This line, you have to join this point. It is of 90-degree angle. It is point P. It means you have to draw AP perpendicular to AB. Similarly, from B, same, by using compass, you have to draw 90-degree angle. This point is R. It means BR is the perpendicular on AB. Next, draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. AB is a line segment. You have to draw perpendicular bisector of AB. Take A as center, half of radius, half of AB's radius. Draw one arc above AB and below AB. Take B as center and same radius. Draw one arc above AB and one arc below AB. Now, join these 2 points with the help of ruler. It is the perpendicular bisector of, suppose it is M, it is N. MN is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular means it makes 90-degree angle on AB. Now, are these 3 lines parallel to each other? Justify your answer. AP is perpendicular to AB. You can write sign of line segment. PR is also perpendicular to AB. MN is also perpendicular to AB. In a same plane, 3 different lines perpendicular to the same line. AP is perpendicular to AB, BR is perpendicular to AB, MN is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, AP is parallel to BR is parallel to MN. You have to write reason also. Lines in a plane perpendicular to the same line are parallel to each other. these are three different lines, it is the same line. Lines in a plane perpendicular to the same line are parallel to each other. Therefore, AP, MN and B are parallel to each other. I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.